Is your space tired or worn? Let our professional cleaners breathe life in your environment. Good day, Dumala Sawonese. It's me again. Termination, come up with another one. Please do not forget to subscribe and press that share button. Maybe someone is looking for this. Yes, elevate your car, home, or office with our professional cleaning solution. We provide the following services: office cleaning, which will improve your client attraction. We also provide carpet cleaning that will provide a fresh smell in your living space. Do not forget to call us wherever you are. That will provide you with the following, as we'll be cleaning your couches, restoring them from their glory. And we also provide car cleaning, detailing, and we do all roof, seats, and floor. Please do not forget to follow us on our social media pages and contact us if you are looking for the above services on 073 487 7617. Thank you so much, and let not forget Yana Production for offering us this service. Thank you. Shout out. I love you. Shalom.